cover. What happened, Dougie?
Broke steering.
Oh, right there.
Where?
It's right, not grabbing on the bottom.
Where?
Right there. It's not. There you go. You know what I mean? Holy fuck. That hurt.
Oh, did it?
I'm like, ah!
Did it?
Yeah, I fucking like threw my hand on that other fucking branch we smacked into. Did you kill it or?
Yeah, I fucking shut it off, dude, so we wouldn't cream into nothing.
I was like, oh my god.
Look at the back.
I know. Dude.